When students get bullied for their body parts, say, ma'am, is my breast being small is very okay. Like, there is no open discussion in our Indian houses. Boys cannot talk to their father only. अब reproduction समझाते तो हो at the right age, 10th, 11th में.
So this was reproduction in plants, and now moving on to human reproduction.
People judge you. कोई non-judgmental space नहीं है, ये बात तो है. What is the risk of rape addiction?
I tell you, it's not about girl or a boy. It's about
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो पेरेंट्स से बात नहीं कर पाते हैं बच्चे, लेकिन काउंसलर से बात करते हैं? ऐसे कौन से इमोशनल इश्यूज हैं जो आपको लगता है कि स्टूडेंट्स फेस करते हैं?
आई फील एज अ काउंसलर जो मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा आता है, व्हेन स्टूडेंट्स गेट बुलीड फॉर देयर बॉडी पार्ट्स.
ओके.
where the students are getting bullied for their body parts. मतलब एक दूसरे, जैसे हम बच्चे एक दूसरे के ना बॉडी का डिफरेंट, स्पेशली सर्टन बॉडी पार्ट्स जो अपने पेरेंट्स से भी कंफर्टेबल नहीं है, बट फ्रेंड्स के बीच में हर टाइप का मजाक चलता है. जब कोई मतलब एक जब मजाक उनके बारे में एक हद से ज़्यादा हो जाता है, उनके एक पर्टिकुलर बॉडी पार्ट का, और बॉडी शेमिंग एंड आई थिंक सो सिंपल एज गर्ल्स will say, ma'am, is my breast being small is very okay. The girls come up with issues, ma'am, ऐसे होना चाहिए क्या? Or they come up with a, students also come that when they feel their parents are fighting, and then they feel they are the reason. कि मैं मैम reason हूँ क्या? They have so many questions about their sexuality. They don't know what's happening. क्या उनको पसंद है, मैम ये सही है क्या? या फिर कैनाज एज अ काउंसलर दे आस्क, यार ये समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि राइट और रॉन्ग है, अगर मैंने ये कर लिया. दिस एक्चुअली बिकॉज विद रिलेटेड ऑफ सेक्स देयर इज नो ओपन डिस्कशन इन आवर इंडियन हाउसेस और इवन इन आवर इंस्टीट्यूशन. अब रिप्रोडक्शन समझाते तो हो एट द राइट एज, 10th 11th में, बट उसको इतना, बट अब जिस तरह से
रश करके,
हाँ, मतलब बहुत डिटेल्ड डिस्कशन. आई एम नॉट सेइंग वी शुड हैव अ वेरी डिटेल्ड डिस्कशन, बट नाउ दे आर एक्सपोज्ड टू डिटेल्ड exposure, like on Instagram and all. So they have lot of things when they do, and then they feel like, अरे मैंने कुछ गलत तो नहीं कर लिया. They will feel certain parts and they're like, अरे मैंने कुछ गलत तो नहीं कर लिया. Is it shameful? They cannot, boys cannot talk to their father only. I had boys coming and talking to me about their porn addiction. And I'm not saying these are those really good-hearted boys. They had nothing wrong, because now they're exposed. They don't know how to leave. But doesn't mean a person having a porn addiction or having a masturbating. Like I know 11th, 12th, first year, second year students in college suffering from that. He's a bad human being, or like sex is a taboo in our that. Still, किसी को अगर उसका addiction, अरे यार उसको उसका मतलब. There is no safe space for students at home that they can discuss, because हर कोई आज के टाइम, मतलब today's time also, counseling is not that much available also in our Indian society.
Correct. So people judge you. कोई non-judgmental space नहीं है, ये बात तो है. But tell me, what is that you see कि is there a rise in these addictions, whether it is porn addiction, whether it is addiction to masturbation, or are they being more reported? अगर हम थोड़ा सा comparative चीज़ें करें, because these were the topics जब when we were growing up, they were top of the head. हमेशा हम यही चीज़ के बारे में बात करते थे, and there was no place जहाँ पे हम जाके अपने doubts या फिर अपनी चीज़ों के बारे में clarity ले पाएं. And it is not just me saying it. I know the boys of my time. ठीक है, लगभग ये सबका बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम रहता था. नाउ इज इट समथिंग नॉर्मल टू हैव और एक्सपीरियंस सम सॉर्ट ऑफ एडिक्शन एट सम पॉइंट इन योर लाइफ?
I don't think so it's normal, but over the time I will agree, Shravan, that it's increasing.
It is increasing? It's
increasing because I'll tell you why. One of the reason, addiction is always, as I discussed in our last podcast also, addiction is a way to deal with the suppressed emotions. So yes, students do not have a right space to go and share their feeling. And forget about this, what about the vape addiction?
Students having vape addiction.
Vape. I'm telling you, I think so. Recently, when I visited Mumbai last time, I was getting out of the airport. I see bulk of students, like they were in the school uniform. Every second student was having a vape in their hand on Mumbai airport.
What is the risk of vape addiction?
It's harming their body. It's just harming their whole nervous system. It's okay if they start with a feeling of coolness, you know, like ठीक है मैं cool लग रहा हूँ, but it later on it turns into addiction. And
If you compare smoking and vape,
obviously the articles which are saying vape is more dangerous.
because it is the continuous burning of the same coil and like
आप I think so एक cigarette पीते हो उसको फेंक देते, vape तो आपके पास continuously हाथ में. जरा सा I'm feeling stressed.
why is it acceptable now to have like कि vape cool कैसे बन गया मतलब like कि
I don't think so.
क्योंकि
cool,
आजकल क्या हो रहा है ना कि there are a lot of girls who also vape और girls के लिए भी it's like hey, we don't smoke ना, it's a vape, it's a like
I tell you, it's not about girl or a boy. It's about I think so. It's what about acceptable to me as an individual, like because I don't smoke, I don't vape, like everyone around me does. I never understood the reason why you're doing. मुझे रीजन ही समझ नहीं आया कि आपको क्यों स्मोक करने की जरूरत है, क्यों वेप करने की जरूरत है, मतलब आई फील नीड क्या है. बट आफ्टर टॉकिंग एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग फ्यू ऑफ माई क्लाइंट्स आई रियलाइज नाउ इट इज देयर they is initially started just to be in a gang.
yeah, so
हाँ.
talk about it कि peer pressure भी एक बहुत बड़ी चीज है जो कई बार दिया ना it pulls in.
We generally started अरे तू नहीं पी रहा,
हाँ.
तू नहीं कर रहा. Luckily I feel there was a pressure on me as well, but I think so over the period ऐसा यार मेरी बाउंड्री है, मैं इसको क्रॉस नहीं कर सकती. आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल. अगर मैं एक सिगरेट या वेप नहीं करूँगा तो मैं मेरा दोस्त नहीं रहना, मत रहो.